Are you looking for the best Chimineas to upgrade your backyard for summer? In this video we will look at some of the best Chimineas to upgrade your backyard for summer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sunnydaze Decor Black Steel Chiminea. If you aren't interested in the traditional, somewhat rustic chiminea design, you'll love this option from Sunnydaze Decor. It's a more modern shape that will still work well with any outdoor decorating scheme with a black finish and a streamlined design. The fire bowl is topped by a tall, thin chimney, and the whole chiminea perches atop three 12.5-inch legs. Although it's 60 inches tall, the chiminea only has a 22-inch footprint, so it's well suited to smaller patios or decks. What really won us over is its steel build and smart design that allows smoke to billow up and away from you while enjoying your patio. This comes with a year-long warranty, too, in case anything were to happen to it, so you can be assured you're making a safe purchase. A bit more about the Chiminea's build: it has a steel wood grate, but unfortunately, it does not include a grill grate, a screen, a rain cap, or a spark screen. The open front mouth is 16 by 12.5 inches, so you can fit a good-sized log inside. However, you'll have to supply your own fire poker or similar tool to stir up the logs while they burn. At number 2. Vevor Chiminea. We love this nicely priced chiminea from Vevor that combines all the traditional aspects of a chiminea with contemporary style, plus a bonus: it comes with all the accessories you'll need, including a cover, poker, and grill grate. At just 20 pounds, setup is simple, and you can tote it to different corners of your yard with ease. You'll need to assemble the chiminea yourself, but it isn't too difficult a project. Once you're all set up, you can enjoy toasty nights by the fire or grilled dinner with the included grill grate. Smoke billows out of the top of the chiminea, instead of blowing in your face, but don't worry, there's also a cover included so you can close up the hole if it's raining. The chiminea includes a poker for stirring the log as needed and for safely opening the screen door. We think this option is an excellent deal for under $100, considering all of the included accessories and chic design. Though the capacity is a bit small, this is the perfect option for a smaller yard or patio that is already full of gorgeous outdoor furniture. At number 3. Cuisinart Chiminea Propane Fire Pit. If you want the warmth and appeal of a chiminea without the wood, then we recommend this propane model from Cuisinart. It doesn't burn wood; instead, it comes with 8 pounds of lava rocks, which show off dancing flames while effectively dispersing heat. Hooked to a 20-pound propane tank, which is easily concealed in the back of the chiminea, this unit provides heat for up to 15 hours, depending on the setting. While it's admittedly not the easiest to assemble, once you have this chiminea put together, you'll find it very easy to use. Turn it on with the press of a button and then use the dial to adjust the flames to your desired intensity. There's a cutoff switch that automatically turns off the flames should the chiminea be in danger of tipping over. And while you cannot cook on it, the chiminea has a large mouth that provides plenty of warmth and enjoyment for you and your family or friends on a cool evening. While this chiminea does require more maintenance than wood-burning types, and it should be protected from rain and freezing temperatures, we think it's a wonderful addition to your backyard if you enjoy outdoor entertaining. Dimensions: 29 by 46 inches, weight 50 pounds, material steel, fuel type propane. At number 4. Endless Summer Firehouse with Chimney. Enjoy the sight and sound of crackling flames and the warmth of your chiminea while cooking burgers, chicken, or your food of choice all at the same time. That's what we love about this black steel chiminea from Endless Summer. It includes a large grilling grate so you can cook outdoors without having to fire up a separate backyard grill. Of course, you can also use the chiminea without the grilling grate in place if you simply want to enjoy sitting by the fire. The chiminea is screened around all 4 sides, making it a good option if you want to be able to share the fire with several other people. It has a fire grate and ash catcher, along with a spark screen in the chimney, but it does not have a rain cap, so you may want to purchase a separate cover to protect it if you live in a rainy area. You'll also want to have a set of grill tools if you plan to cook on the chiminea. You will need to fully assemble it as well, but it's not too difficult. Dimensions: 20 by 25 by 43 inches, weight 47 pounds, material steel, fuel type wood. At number 5. 45-inch H x 31-foot W metal chiminea fire pit with grill. Choking hazard small parts. Not for children. Read instruction manual carefully before attempting to assemble or operate this product. Caution: do not add gasoline, kerosene, diesel fuel, lighter fluid or alcohol to relight or enhance an existing fire. This fire pit only use wood pellet and charcoal as fuel. Do not use on wooden decks. Do not burn coal, leaves, or other combustible materials in the fire pit. Keep away from combustible materials. Not for use by children. Keep children and pets away from the fire pit. The fire pit is hot. Use with caution. Do not touch the hot fire pit with bare hands. Never leave the burning fire pit unattended, and always extinguish the fire completely. Do not use fire pit near flammable or combustible objects or materials. When the fire pit is in use, the handle on front screen panel can reach extreme temperatures that can cause serious injury to an unprotected hand. Use a poker or an appropriate heat-resistant glove or pad when handling. The poker handle may become hot during and after use. Check local fire regulations and municipal bylaws for safe use. Some parts may contain sharp edges, especially as noted in the manual. Wear protective gloves if necessary.